The Google Ads Keyword Planner is a free tool inside your Google Ads account. It helps you find new keywords, see keyword search history, and gives you a sense of your cost per click on keywords. In this video, I'll demonstrate the Keyword Planner and show you some ways to use it. This is the Google Ads homepage. You must be logged into your Google Ads account to get to this page. The Keyword Planner is located in the Tools section. You'll find that in the top navigation. Just click on this Tools and Settings wrench icon. From the Tools drop-down, look under Planning and click Keyword Planner. Since we want new keyword ideas, we'll click the Discover New Keywords square. We have two options, to start with keywords or to start with a website. We will start with keywords by entering keywords of interest, and then we can select our desired location and then click Get Results. This is the Keyword Ideas screen. There is a lot of information here. First, we can see our original keyword, and then below that, more keyword ideas. We also get important search information for each keyword. The average monthly searches, an indication how competitive it will be for each keyword, bidding estimates, and more. All we have to do is go down the list, checking off the keywords we want to put in our plan. Notice the new blue menu that appears so we can create a plan, create a new ad group, and define your keyword match types. This information can be moved directly into a plan or directly into a campaign. We have just reviewed the Keyword Planner by inputting our own keywords. But if you wish, Google can also read your website or even a web page and generate a list of keywords based on what it finds. Let's look at what happens when we use our website or web page to select keywords. First, we need to enter our website or page URL, and then choose either our entire website or the specific page that we entered. Google will read your website or page and give you keyword ideas when you click Get Results. Here's a list of keywords Google found for the website page. I want to draw your attention to this helpful feature here on the right-hand side. We can view the keywords as a keyword list, as we have here on the screen. Alternatively, you can see a grouped view. The grouped view groups the keywords by theme. To see the keywords included within each theme, click these down arrows and select the keywords you want within each group. Google will save your selection as groups. So there's a quick look around the Keyword Planner. It's very useful for exposing you to new keywords, forecasting demand, and even organizing your keywords. I encourage you to use the planner next time you're setting up a campaign or an ad group.